Hi there, and welcome back to another video on hard coding. I'm really excited to share something special with you today. In this video, we're going to explore this amazing modern admin dashboard that I've built using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. As you can see, the design is sleek and visually appealing with some really nice animations that add to the overall user experience. This is a full-featured multi-page admin template with over 60 pages, giving you everything you need to build a comprehensive dashboard. And the best part? All of these pages are fully responsive, meaning they'll look great and work seamlessly across all devices. If you like what you see and want to learn how to build something like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future tutorials. And if you're interested in using this template for your own project, be sure to check out the description box below. I've included a link where you can purchase the template and get started right away. Let's dive in and take a closer look.